professional, a distinguished expert with a remarkable track record. With a career spanning over 10 years, he has held key positions at the Environmental Management Bureau Region 6, including Chief of Planning, Programming, Environmental Education and Climate Change Section, and also the Chief of the Legal Section. Currently, he serves as Chief of Staff on Special Concerns and Legal Affairs at the Environmental Management Bureau's Central Office, bringing a wealth of knowledge and expertise to our gathering today. To present his expertise on Environmental Management Bureau mandates and operations, ladies and gentlemen, our first speaker, Attorney Arjun Calvo.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. For all our PCOs, thank you for coming and joining us on the second PCO Summit. It stresses three things: public health, environmental integrity, and economic viability. This threefold mission of the EMB declares na hindi lang purely environment ang amon na role. Because if you look at it, our mission concerns three things: public health, how the environment affects our people; environmental integrity, the quality of our environment, and also economic viability. We have to balance. Suryahan, lang kita, may something nga rin naka-solution. And sometimes, it's really good to have a proper representation. Na-experience ko sa central office, there are policies that affects you PCOs. And if there's no proper representation to voice out your issues and concerns, hindi natin ma-address man ang mga policy gaps. So through these mga PCO summits natin, this is time for you to raise up your issues. Anong balang mabudlay sa sistema namon, anong sa layi namon na wala namon nakita, pero nakita nyo during the course of your job. Ano bang kailangan i-improve sa ating policies? So this is a good opportunity to raise those issues. And through RTCAP Region 6, they can represent the concerns of the pollution control officers during public consultations, during public hearings, para ma-improve manamon ang among mga policies and to address these gray areas and gaps na hindi pa namon makita but you have experienced during the course of your activities. So again, I'm Arjun Calvo and I'll be presenting our mandates and operations. I should have been first kitane, kayo para overall But when I looked at your program, at least na-discuss nyo na ang mga features, ang role ko naman is to summarize all those laws and mandates of the EMB. Or at least you could have a snapshot of your crucial things to comply with. Ano ang mga laws ang kailangan natin pasaron para or i-comply para at least hindi kita ma-issuehan sa notice of violation. Maging man ang role